I'm back. Okay, I'll continue on. I had to drive on a ferry. So, la'am min guasla. La'am min guasla. La'am min guasla. I am now done. Remember the tells you that it means now. La'am min guasla. Okay? La'am mas guasla. La'am mas guasla. La'am mas guasla. You are now done. The means now or immediately, okay? And then the guasla means finished or done. Okay, so la'am mas, you, guasla, done. Okay, la'am mas guasla. Just for fun, la'am muh guasla. La'am muh guasla. La'am muh guasla. He is now done. La'am muh guasla. Okay? Okay. La'am min lat. T'amsi da klachi. La'am min lat. T'amsi da klachi. La'am min lat. T'amsi klachi. La'am min lat. T'amsi klachi. La'am min lat. T'amsi da klachi. T'amsi da klachi. T'amsi da klachi. La'am min lat. T'amsi da klachi. T'amsi da klachi. I am now going to go call him. La'am min, first person. Is now. Lat, go in the future. T'amsi da klachi. Gonna call him in the future. Okay. La'am min zohuidet. La'am min zohuidet. La'am min zohuidet. La'am min zohuidet. Okay, so I will now run. La'am min zohuidet. Or zohuit. Zohuit. I can say la'am min kazit. La'am min kazit. I will now walk. La'am min danrit. La'am min danrit. I will now sing. Okay, I will now sing. La'am min lat. Durit. Klach. A bump. Glu ump. La'am min lat. Durit. Klach. A bump. Glu ump. La'am min lat. Durit. Klach. A bump. Glu ump. Nump ana. Nump ana. La'am min lat. Durit. Klach. A bump. Glu ump. I will now go and look at my mom and dad. Okay, I'll now go and see them. Okay, I'll go look at them, gaze at them. Just kidding. But anyway, so we're just going to continue to go through these sentences until it becomes more natural, because obviously it's kind of like robotic like, but we're going to use it, understanding structure of how our language works, and just keep practicing sentences, structure, punctuation, grammar of Kwak, right? And using it correctly. So this book was written by my granny Daisy Seawood Smith. Like I said before, she was teaching in Campbell River, and she was teaching Likwala / Kwakwala, because my granny is from Kwakwala and she comes from Village Island and Namgis, the Namgis people. Okay, so let's continue to learn together. Let's continue to speak every day. If you have like one word, you can practice all day. Use language as much as you can. I mean, if you're learning songs, you know, like if you're learning a song, you actually could take the tune out of the song and just say the words, right? So if I said, okay, so it's a sunny day. So you're actually speaking. So anyway, my time's running out and just taking up your time, but halakasla, hlachula nukun klus, qila kasta ochla.